Hello everyone, I am here for all Rajara MCQs for you for the preparation of TGT, PGT and LT grade. Who was the Guru of Rajarao? Sri Atmanand, great Vedantic scholar. Rajarao was influenced by Shakespeare's tragedies and what? Henry Marlowe's novels. The three founding pillars of Indian writing in English are R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, and Rajarao. Name the famous Indian writer who tried to incorporate Indian metaphysics and philosophy into his fictional work Rajarao. Rajarao's favorite philosopher was Plato, who said, "There is but one God in life, and that is the God of all." Rajarao, the author who attempted to decipher the self through his writing, was Rajarao. Rajarao was named in 1980 Professor Emeritus, who wrote alien poems and stories. Rajarao. Rajarao was a prime mover in the formation of cultural organization Sri Vidya Samiti. Where was Rajarao born? Kingdom of Mysore, now Karnataka, India. Rajarao was born in 1908. Who wrote the novel Kanthapura? Rajarao. Kanthapura is the name of a village. When was Kanthapura published? 1938. Rajarao married three times. How many languages did Rajarao know? English, French, and Kannada. Rajarao died at the age of 97. Is the story of how Gandhi's struggle for independence came to a typical village, Kanthapura, in South India. Kanthapura. What is the name of the coffee estate referred to in Kanthapura? Skeffington Coffee Estate. Rajarao was a writer and a professor. What genres did Rajarao contributed to? Novel, short story, essay. Rajarao belonged to a Brahman family. Who wrote the novel The Serpent and the Rope? Rajarao. The Serpent and the Rope was published in 1960. Rajarao wrote his early short stories in dash language, Kannada. Rajarao won Sahitya Academy Award in 1964. Rajarao won Sahitya Academy Award for The Serpent and the Rope. Dash is a semi-autobiographical novel by Rajarao, The Serpent and the Rope. Rajarao's second novel is The Serpent and the Rope. Which novel by Rajarao deals with the concepts of existence, reality, and fulfillment of one's capabilities? The Serpent and the Rope. Rajarao won Padma Bhushan in 1969. What was the name of the journal which was co-edited by Rajarao and Ahmad Ali in 1943-1944? Tomorrow. According to New York Times book, who is perhaps the most brilliant and certainly the most interesting writer of modern India? Rajarao. Who wrote The Cat and the Shakespeare? Rajarao. What's the complete title of The Cat and Shakespeare? The Cat and Shakespeare, A Tale of India. When was The Cat and Shakespeare published? 1965. Rajarao actively took part in a national movement in 1942 named Quilt India Movement. Rajarao Award for Literature was given between 2000 to 2009. Who said, "Woman is the earth, air, ether, sound. Woman is the microcosm of the world." Rajarao. What is the meaning of the title The Serpent and the Rope? Illusion and reality. What stands for illusions and what stands for reality in The Serpents and the Rope? The serpent stands for illusion and the rope stands for reality. What is the genre of The Cat and Shakespeare by Rajarao? Metaphysical comedy. Govinda Nair in The Cat and Shakespeare is dash by profession. Clerk. Camille, Molly, Catherine Jones, and Susan Watt are the names of wives of Rajarao. Rajarao completed his schooling from Madarsa e Alia in Hyderabad. Rajarao won the Asiatic Scholarship of the Government of Hyderabad in 1929 for studying abroad. True. Who wrote Comrade Kirillov? Rajarao. When was Comrade Kirillov published? 1976. Which novel throws light on the influence of France on Rajarao's mind? Comrade Kirillov. Which Kannada general was edited by Rajarao? Jaya Karnataka. Where did Rajarao study French literature? University of Montpellier, France. Rajarao died in Texas, USA. Name the first novel of Rajarao, Kantapura. Which river appears in Rajarao's novel Kantapura? Hemavati. The theme of which Rajarao's novel may be summed up as Gandhi and our village, Kantapura. India is not a country like France is or like England. India is an idea. This sentence has been taken from Rajarao's novel The Serpent and the Rope. In The Cat and Shakespeare, Rajarao gave numerous allusions to Shakespeare's play Hamlet. Full name of Rajarao was Sri K. Rajarao. Rajarao father used to teach Kannada at Nizam College. Rajarao moved to the United States in 1966. Who wrote The Chess Master and His Moves? Rajarao. Who is the protagonist of The Chess Master and His Moves? Shivaram, a Tamil Brahmin mathematician. About which novel did Rajarao say, "I wanted to publish the book with about 500 blank pages at the end"? The Cat and the Shakespeare. Rajarao served as a professor of philosophy at University of Texas. Rajarao was the son of H.V. Krishna Swami. Rajarao had one son from Catherine Jones named Christopher Ram. Which novel of Rajarao begins with these words? High on the ghats is it, high up the steep mountains that face the cool Arabian Sea. Kanthapura. Which novel of Rajarao established him as one of the finest Indian prose stylish, The Serpent and the Rope. Which novel of Raja Rao established him as one of the finest Indian prose stylists? The Serpent and the Rope. Which novel of Raja Rao was praised by E.M. Foster by saying the finest novel to come out of India? Kanthapura. Achakka is a character in Kanthapura. Who is the narrator of The Cat and the Shakespeare? Ram Krishna Pai. Raja Rao non-Newstead International Prize for Literature in 1988. Who inspired Raja Rao to study French language? Professor Dickinson, who said America has a great splendor. Once in this nation find itself, it will be truly magnificent. Rajarao, who wrote The Cow of the Barricades and other stories? Rajarao. When was The Cow of the Barricades and other stories published? 1947. What was the name of the holy cow in Raja Rao's Cow of the Barricades? Gauri. Who is the narrator of the novel Kanthapura? Achakka. The serpent and the rope has an inconclusive end. True. The story of Dash is based on the theme of the eternal struggle between good and evil. Kanthapura. Raja Rao's name was also considered for Nobel Prize. True. In 1942, Raja Rao spent a few months in Gandhi's ashram. In America, Raja Rao studied the work of Emerson, Wade Whitman, and H.D. Thoreau. What is a policeman before a Gandhi man? This sentence has been taken from Kanthapura. Who wrote five Indian masters? Rajara. Who are the five masters in five Indian masters? Rajarao, Rabindranath Tagore, Premchand, Mulk, Raj Anand, Khushwant, Khushwant Singh. Which novel recounts a search for spiritual truth in India and Europe? The Serpent and the Rope. The pariahs in the novel Kanthapura refer to lower castes. Rajarao was a dash writer, Indo-Anglia. In which temple did Rajarao spend some time in deep meditation? Mahakal temple. Who said the body is seen by the mind, but the mind is seen by the what? Rajarao. Who wrote Great Indian Way, a life of Mahatma Gandhi? Rajarao. Great Indian Way, a life of Mahatma Gandhi is a dash work, biographical. It's a biography of Gandhi. Who wrote The Meaning of India? Rajarao. Who wrote The Meaning of India? Rajarao. The Meaning of India by Rajarao is a collection of essays. The collection of Cow of the Barricades and other stories consists of 9 stories. The youngest of the so called Big Three Indian English fictions is Rajarao, the other two being Mulk, Raj Anand, and R.K. Narayan. Rajarao was eldest son of 9 siblings. In 2007, Rajarao won Padma Vibhushan. In The Serpent and the Rope, Rajarao portrayed the relationship and difference between the Indian and Western culture. The first collection of short stories by Raja Rao was Johnny. Which novel by Raja Rao has been called the spiritual autobiography, The Serpent and the Rope? What is the subtitle of The Cat and the Shakespeare? A Tale of India. The novel The Cat and the Shakespeare is a curious mixture of fantasy and realism. The central figure of the novel Kanthapura is Murthy. It is the story of two friends named Govindan Nair and Ramkrishnan Pai. Which one? The Cat and Shakespeare. In the novel Kanthapura, Murthy is influenced by Gandhi. Kanthapura is narrated in the form of Sthala Puran. The death of his mother when he was four left lasting impression on Raja Rao. True. The absence of a dash and orphanhood are recurring themes in Raja Rao work Mother, which other writers won Padma Vibhushan with Raja Rao in 2007? Khushwant Singh, who wrote Changing India and Orthology. Raja Rao. Raja Rao ended an anthology of modern Indian thought from Ram Mohan Roy to Jawaharlal Nehru in 1939. The name of the anthology is Changing India. Raja Rao edited Changing India with Iqbal Singh, who published The Serpent and the Rope, John Murray. This novel described Rami, Ramswamy's search and quest for truth and self knowledge, The Serpent and the Rope. Who wrote on the Ganga Ghat? Raja Rao. Raja Rao studied for his degree at Nizam's College, which is a constituent college of Osm- Osmania University. Raja Rao became friend with Raja Rao studied for his degree at Nizam's College, which is a constituent college of Osmania University. Raja Rao became friend with Dash at Nizam's College, Ahmad Ali. At the Sorbonne in Paris, Raja Rao explored in the Indian influence on Irish literature. Who wrote Wither India? Raja Rao, who said things are meant to be used and people are meant to be loved. Raja Rao. Raja Rao depicted the breakdown of his marriage with Camille Molly in The Serpent and the Rope. Raja Rao returned to the theme of Dash in the short story collection The Cow of the Barricades, Gandhism. This novel takes uh, Raja Rao's first marriage and its disintegration as its subject. Which novel? The Serpent and the Rope. The Cat and Shakespeare, A Tale of India is Raja Rao's dash novel. Allegorical. Who wrote The Policeman and the Rose? Raja Rao. Which work of Raja Rao won him the Neustadt International Prize for Literature for the entire body of his work? Who is considered the first English philosopher and novelist of Indian literature? Raja Rao. Raja Rao died in 2006. What was the reason of Raja Rao's death? Heart failure. Thank you.